Hi, what's good everyone? It's NomaSLICK. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is different. I'm making this video because I tried ImanGadzhi's AI monetization in January 2026, so you don't have to. Okay, so if you've been seeing like millionaires, billionaires, AI monetization, passive income all over YouTube, this is for you. Okay, so quick story. I first started YouTube like at 2017 at UJ South Africa, just watching like fun videos, like learning and searching new things, right? And so one day I somehow evolved because like these videos link and whatever. And so I saw like millionaires, billionaires videos everywhere YouTube. And that's when I landed on Jordan Welch. I don't know if you guys know him. That was in 2024, late 2024. I just liked his videos, and then yeah, I don't know. It was around 2024, November, December. At that time, I might have seen ImanGadzhi, but like I didn't really know who he was. Okay, so early 2025, I saw Jordan Welch talking about monetization and everything, right? I think it was on like YouTube videos, the ones that talk about make money online and whatever. And that's where I successfully made money using that's where I made money online using surveys and playing games. So specifically for surveys, it was Toluna influencers, and I actually have a video on my channel. Go and check it out under the playlist for make money online. Okay, so the time that I was busy with this make money online videos, it was around April, May 2024. So I wanted to try like Jordan Welch, since I knew him 2024, and then like I see him again, and then it's like, oh, interesting and whatever. But like I didn't have time, and it was around like month end and whatever. So I didn't like have time. But I remember I might have skipped the first day that I saw the video, but then the next day I just like quickly went through everything, and then I saw that he was all about monetization and he was on Warp. That was the first time. So I didn't understand the platform. So for me, it was like, okay, what's happening? And I didn't know that he was connected to ImanGadzhi. Okay, but then I gave myself time, and then I just went through the website for Warp, and then I tried to understand the platform and everything. And then that's when I understood who ImanGadzhi is. Okay. So by late 2025, I understood his flashy, fancy lifestyle, money, and business models. I already knew about online surveys and selling PDFs and drop shipping, so I chose AI monetization because I saw those videos and it was kind of interesting. So I just somehow like followed ImanGadzhi's videos, like many of his videos, and then there were some that seemed easy, like whereby he like his titles like something like make 300 and something dollars per month, or use this AI app to make 200 per day or per month or per week, something like that. So for me, I felt like, what if this is like actually real? Like I know I'm at South Africa and he's not in my country, but he sometimes comes and visit. But then I was like, what if this is actually like serious and real and whatever. So that's why I chose AI monetization. So I saw his videos, and then somehow I got stuck because AI is a little bit complicated. Okay, so for me, I studied operations management at the University of Johannesburg, South Africa, right? And it has business. But then with AI, it's a little bit different. So it was like tricky for me. I literally went through his videos, like many of them. Some of his videos were just motivating, like things like where he made videos about things I didn't know before making money, things that a millionaire, future millionaire must know. I feel like he is motivating, and I feel like besides people talking whatever about him, I feel like he's a good motivator, and I can personally say like I feel like anyone is literally my motivator. Like he's the one that like school and everything backing me up, and then if I'm not like doing much, he'll just tell me, why did you read a book and whatever and whatever. And I'm like, sometimes you're just busy with whatever, and you're like, no, Dad, I'll do it later. Oh my god, Papa, I know I have to read, blah blah blah, I'll do it at my own time. But like when I eventually get time to read a certain novel or whatever, and then I open my mind, it's like, oh, you know what, actually my dad is spot on. Sometimes you just have to read, but then obviously sometimes you just have to take a break, because there were times where I was done with school and I just felt like I don't want to read anything. I just want to focus on looking for like a job and whatever. Not even gonna like read anything, even if it's just for the sake of the mind. Sometimes you just have to rest. But like my point is, like, he's a good motivator, and yeah, that's why I was like into his videos and whatever. And he's also around my age. Like I'm 28 right now, 28 Virgin Me. Gonna turn 29, 29 Virgin Me, 11 February. I was born 11 February 1997, so my birthday is gonna be next month. But like next month, February 2026. But like my point is, for the fact that we are in this social media era and people are making money online, and some are like flashy and whatever, I just like got interested, and I just, felt like following him and trying out some of his methods. Okay, so finally it's January 2026, and around December 2025, I was seeing his messages on my WhatsApp, talking about going live early January, and then I just thought to myself, okay, this time let me just try this properly. So in this video, I won't hype anything. I'll just share my experience from South Africa.